Whoa, maths is so fun with Mr. Nunn and my flowery shirts. What are we learning today? Well, today we're going to learn how to convert measures.
Yay!
Whoa! And before then, let's look at my shirt. A rather little conservative number today, just very small flowers on a brown background, and this is from Marks and Spencer's. So quite conventional, but nice when you don't want to be too flamboyant. Back to the maths. Okay, so I have a problem here. I have 3.5 kilograms and I want to convert it to grams. So how many grams are in 3.5 kilograms? Okay, well let's have a think. There's two steps that we need to do here. Firstly, we have to say, what is the conversion rate? How many grams are there in a kilogram? And
there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram.
1,000 grams. Brilliant. Okay, so I know that 1,000 grams equals a kilogram. Brilliant. So I either have to multiply or divide my 3.5 by 1,000. How do I decide whether to multiply it or to divide it? Well, I've got to say, is it going to be more grams than kilograms? So 3.5 kilograms, if it's in grams, is it going to be a larger amount or is it going to be a smaller amount? And obviously it's going to be a larger amount, isn't it? Because grams are a lot smaller. So I'm going to multiply my 3.5 by 1,000. So when I multiply it by 1,000, I have to move everything 3 steps to the
left.
Brilliant. 3 steps to the left. So the 3 goes 1, 2, 3. It's in the thousands column. The 5 goes 1 in the units, 2 in the tens, and then in the hundreds. So we've got 3,000. 5 in the hundreds, and a 0, 0 there. So 3.5 kilograms equals 3,500 grams. Okay, great. Let's have another look at another one just quickly, and we'll look the other way. So what would happen if I had, let me see, if I had 2,100 centimetres? Now I want to convert that to metres. So how do I do that? Now how many centimetres are in a metre?
100.
Well done there, Beth. Brilliant. So I've either got to divide or multiply my 2,100 by 100. And I'm going to look at that. So well, actually a metre is a lot larger than centimetres. So there's going to be less metres than there are centimetres. So consequently I have to divide my 2,100 by 100, which means moving the digits 2 spaces to the
right.
Right, fantastic. Okay, let's do that then. So let's go 1, 2. There goes your 1, and your 2 is going 1, 2. So we end up with 21 metres. So 2,100 centimetres is equivalent to 21 metres. Easy peasy. So I'm going to give you one to do at home now, and you have to think about how you're going to convert it. So we're going to move on to millilitres and litres. So I'm going to give you, let me see, I'm going to give you 2.7 litres. So I've got 2.7 litres of orange juice. How many millilitres is that, and how can you do it using this method? Off you go. Woo! Okay, so first we have to say, how many millilitres are in a litre? And we all know that there are 1,000 millilitres in a litre. Brilliant. So we have to say, do we multiply our 2.7 or do we divide our 2.7? Well, of course, litres, you've got 1,000 in there, haven't you? There's going to be a lot more millilitres than there are litres, so you're going to be multiplying your 2.7 by 1,000, and to multiply by 1,000 you move 3 spaces to the
left.
Brilliant. So let's go 1, 2, 3, there goes your 2, and your 7 goes 1 into the units, 2 into the tens, 3 into the hundreds, and then we put in our holding zeros there. 2.7 litres becomes 2,700 millilitres. So pretty easy. You need to know, number 1, your conversion rates, and number 2, a bit of common sense. Are you going to multiply it or are you going to divide it? So easy as pie. Maths is so fun with Mr. Nunn and my flowery shirts. That's enough today.